This puzzle looks impossible, but the trick is simple. Watch this. Here is the puzzle. Apple plus apple plus apple equals 36. Apple times 2 bananas equals 24. 2 bananas minus 2 cherries equals 2. What is apple plus banana times cherry? Pause the video and try to yourself. I will wait. Let's solve it together. 3 apples equal 36, so 1 apple is 12. Second equation, apple times 2 bananas equals 24. Apple is 12, so 12 times 2 bananas equals 24. That means 2 bananas is 2, so 1 banana is 1. Third equation, 2 bananas minus 2 cherries equals 2. 2 bananas is 2, so 2 minus 2 cherries equals 2. That means 2 cherries is 0, so 1 cherry is 0. Now the final question, apple plus banana times cherry. Remember the order of operations, multiplication first. So banana times cherry is 1 times 0, which is 0. Then apple plus 0 is 12 plus 0, which is 12. So the answer is 12. Easy. Comment below, did you get it right? Share this with a friend to test them. Subscribe for more puzzles. See you in the next one.